Will AI replace human researchers? Have you ever wondered if artificial intelligence can take over the work of human researchers? This is a hot topic in today's tech-driven world. Let's break it down. Artificial intelligence will not completely replace human researchers, but it will change how research is done. Think of AI as a powerful assistant that helps automate routine tasks and boosts productivity. AI research assistants use advanced technologies like machine learning and natural language processing. These tools can help with literature searches, summarizing academic papers, organizing ideas, and even drafting parts of research documents. This means that human researchers can focus more on critical thinking, interpretation, and creative problem solving instead of getting bogged down with repetitive tasks. At a basic level, AI tools can quickly scan large amounts of academic literature. They identify key papers and generate concise summaries. This helps students and researchers avoid feeling overwhelmed by information. AI also assists with citation formatting, ensuring that academic standards are met. This reduces errors and saves time. For example, AI can suggest logical sequences in writing and detect biases in arguments. This support leads to clearer communication of research findings. More advanced AI systems can work on similar research questions simultaneously. This parallel processing allows multiple AI laboratories to share results, speeding up discoveries. These systems improve accuracy over time by learning from cumulative knowledge. They apply various reasoning methods to reduce errors. However, AI still requires human oversight, especially for complex research problems. From a practical study perspective, AI research assistants are especially helpful for students. They need to quickly grasp foundational literature. Academics benefit from staying current with research trends. Professionals in fields like medicine and law relying on up-to-date evidence. AI tools make complex academic analysis more accessible by efficiently filtering relevant information. In essence, AI enhances research efficiency and accuracy but does not replace the essential roles of human researchers. Critical analysis, creativity, and ethical judgment are still very much needed. Human researchers guide research questions, interpret results, and make informed decisions. AI serves as a complementary tool that supports and expands human capabilities in the research process. So, while AI is changing the landscape of research, it is not replacing the human touch that is so vital in this field.